In this video, how to deploy AutoCAD using Microsoft Intune. The first step is logging into your Autodesk account to download the installer from the official Autodesk website. You can configure the version and language for the deployment. For example, I will download the latest version of the app. Open the downloaded file to create the installer. This process will generate a new folder named Autodesk in the Downloads directory. It may take several minutes to download all the required data. In the generated folder, you'll find several files and folders. All of these are necessary for creating the Intune package in the next steps. The next step is creating some folders for Intune package creation. For example, I will create them in the D drive. Before you can add the app to Microsoft Intune, you must prepare the app by using the Microsoft Win32 Content Prep tool. The tool converts application installation files into the .IntuneWin format. Download the Microsoft Win32 Content Prep tool from the official Microsoft GitHub repository. Extract the downloaded zip file. We just need the prep tool, so let's copy it to the Intune folder that we've created in the previous step. Make sure the file IntuneWinAppUtil.exe is located at the same level as the input and output folders. Next, copy all the contents of the Autodesk folder into the input folder that we prepared earlier. At this moment, you can see the structure of the Intune folder. All files and folders in the input folder will be compressed into an .IntuneWin file format. After the conversion, the final Intune package will be saved into the output folder. Next, open PowerShell or Terminal as administrator. Navigate to the Intune folder using the cd command. Now, run the Intune WinAppUtil tool. The tool will guide you to enter the required parameters step by step. Specify the path of the input folder as the source folder. Enter the full path of the setup.exe file. And the path of the output folder for the generated .IntuneWin file. Press Enter to continue. The application is now doing its magic, creating the .IntuneWin file for us. Once done, go to the output folder to verify that the .IntuneWin file is being created. Finally, log into the Intune Admin Center, then create a new Windows app deployment. From the drop-down menu, choose Windows App Win32 as the app type. For the app package file, select the .IntuneWin file that you created earlier. On the app information page, enter the required details such as the name of the app, a description, and the publisher's name. Optionally, you can upload a logo by selecting an image file. Adding a logo makes it easier for users to identify the app in the company portal and is highly recommended. On the program page, enter the install and uninstall commands for the app. For the uninstall command, you need to find the product code of the app. You can find it from the setup.xml file in the folder when you downloading the installer. Please note, don't forget to cover the product code in the uninstall command by the brackets. On the requirements page, you can specify prerequisites that the managed devices must meet before the app is installed, such as the device architecture, minimum OS version, disk space, and more. The detection rules section allows you to verify if the app is already installed on managed devices. You can use either a custom detection script or manually configure a detection rule. In this example, we'll manually configure the detection rule. Select MSI as the rule type for detection. Enter the same MSI product code in the uninstall command. In this page, you can define software dependencies and specify apps that must be installed before the app can be deployed. Additionally, you can configure supersedence to directly update or replace an older version of the app. On the assignments page, decide how to deploy the app. For required deployments, the app will be force installed on specified groups or devices. For available deployments, the app will appear in the company portal, allowing users to install it. Use the uninstall deployment option to remove the app from managed devices. You can select Add all devices to deploy the app to all managed devices, but it's recommended to test the deployment on a small group of devices before deploying it organization-wide. In this page, you can also filter devices for deployment, configure end-user notifications, and app installation deadline. Review your settings and click Create to finalize the app deployment. If you see the message, "Your app is not ready yet," wait for the content upload to complete. It could take a while depending on your internet speed and the data center of your Intune tenant. You can monitor the upload status by clicking on the notification icon at the top right corner. After a few minutes, you'll receive confirmation that the upload is finished and the deployment is active. To verify the deployment, log into a managed device and allow time for system to sync. Or you can manually trigger a sync by using Windows settings, the company portal, or restarting the computer. As you can see, Intune is downloading and installing the app. And the app has been installed automatically. In the Intune Admin Center, you can monitor the deployment status on the overview page. This page provides a graphical breakdown, showing devices with successful installations, devices still installing, and any errors encountered. Keep in mind that deployment status updates in the Intune portal may take some time to appear, so be patient. If the app is no longer required, you can edit the app deployment in Intune to uninstall it automatically. Go to the Properties section and edit the assignments. Remove the group from the required section and add it to the Uninstall section. Wait for the sync to complete, and the app will be removed from all target devices automatically. Alternatively, when deploying an app using Intune, you can set it as available for enrolled devices. This allows users to manually install the app via the company portal. For such scenarios, users can log into the company portal and install the app themselves. As you can see, the app will not be installed automatically. Instead, users can decide when they want to install the app manually from the company portal. Additionally, to find the product code of an Autodesk software, you can install the app on a test computer to locate the required values before configuring the deployment in Intune. Once the app is installed, open the PowerShell or terminal as administrator and run this command. As you can see, from the output, you can find the MSI product code of the app for uninstall command and detection rule. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.